The European Data Protection Supervisor submitted an initial draft list on March 18, 2019, followed by a revised version on June 21, 2019. This submission aims to identify processing operations that pose a high risk to the rights and freedoms of natural persons, thereby necessitating a DPIA. The document acknowledges the guidelines set by Working Party 29, WP 29, now endorsed by the EDPB, which provide criteria to determine when processing operations require a DPIA. EDPB's assessment. The EDPB's assessment focuses on refining the draft list to ensure clarity and alignment with GDPR principles. The recommendations include sensitive data. The EDPB suggests amending the terminology used to describe sensitive data to avoid confusion and align with GDPR terminology. Large-scale processing. The EDPB recommends reconsidering the examples used to define large-scale processing, suggesting that even internal directories could potentially be considered large-scale. Datasets matched or combined. The board advises using different examples that clearly comply with the Regulation 2018-17/25, avoiding those that might raise questions about their lawfulness. Vulnerable data subjects. The EDPB notes that employees, considered as vulnerable data subjects, may not always have significant influence over procedures affecting them, recommending the use of different examples to illustrate this point. Conclusion and recommendations. The EDPB concludes by inviting the European Data Protection Supervisor to make specific amendments to the draft list to enhance clarity and compliance with data protection laws. These amendments pertain to the handling of sensitive data, the scale of data processing, the combination of datasets from different processing operations, and the consideration of vulnerable data subjects. The EDPB emphasizes the importance of transparency and clarity for data controllers and processors, recommending explicit references in the list to criteria outlined in the guidelines for the benefit of all stakeholders involved in data processing activities.